Biddy Penny. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my mess. Oh my gosh, you guys could totally tell already from the snapshot that I gave you that my craft room is special right now, like next level mess. And it's funny how these things happen. Like that's just like a collection, my collection of close to my heart. I grabbed it off the shelf and dug through it looking for a stamp set and didn't put it back. But I had to take my Stamping Bella collection down to get to that collection, and I didn't put either one of them back. So that's that mess. This is my Etsy shipping department, by the way. And it's a total mess because, well, I decided to post stuff and you guys blessed me with so many orders that my little busybody was shipping all week. So this box right here used to be completely full of things that I needed to list and post in my shop. And it's like not completely empty, but it's pretty empty right now. So lots of orders went out this week, and I usually love packing my orders right here. So this area is usually like completely cleaned off, and I can pack my orders for all of you sweet people and put your freebies in there and write a note. And I had to do it at a different clean desk this week that's not in my craft room. You guys, it's like I feel so vulnerable showing you how much of a mess this place is, but at the same time it's just real life, and I know I'm not alone, and I know there's more of me out there, and so, you know, I hope this gives you like, this is just me. I'm authentically me, and I hope for those of you who are like me, then this helps you because you know you're not alone too. So as I was saying, this mess is gonna get fixed. So hang out with me if you like today. This will be like a little bit of vlog. I mean, look at this over here. This, what is all of this? We're gonna fix it. Time's now. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to sort through this Happy Mail. This whole box was all gifted to me by a couple of people, and it's time to put it away. I'm also giving some away. So my sister-in-law Lily's just gotten into card making. So I also keep a box in my craft room for her of things that I collect, which is where I'm putting things now. And yeah, so that box is now full. I need to send it off to her. But I definitely shared some of this Happy Mail with my daughter and some with Lily. Here, I thought I had this in my Distress ink. I thought I had this pad already, and I did, so I'm sending the new one off to Lily. My husband brought me some fruit. He's so sweet. And yeah, so, reality check is that I've worked 60-hour weeks for the last 3 weeks. I homeschool my kids, and I try to have a full and rounded life. So that's how this happens. That is exactly how all of this happens. So I'm going to stop being mean to myself about this mess, and I'm just doing what it takes to get it cleaned up. So here you'll see that I keep, and you've probably seen a lot of this, I keep all the shipping packages that my stuff comes in, and I reuse them. So I just try to get a second use out of plastic stuff. And so with the bubble wrap and the mailers, I reuse them. So if you placed an order with me on Etsy, I'm not trying to be tacky. I'm doing it for the planet. I really like to reuse things whenever I can. Here is a bunch of plain colored cardstock that I've been saving for No Dies, No Problem. And yeah, so I just wanted to explain why would she have empty mailers just laying in her floor? Well, I didn't put them where they went, but I think my problem is piles. I create piles and I'm like, I'm going to deal with that pile. And then it takes a video like this. This is an amazing art book I got at Half Price Books. Oh my goodness. It breaks down every single year of the 20th century of artists, and it has like 5 or 6 pages per year. So these are all my art books that are right in front of me where I put that. And I will be dealing with those and putting those up at the top of the shelf. I'll be rearranging the shelf here in a minute once I get my floor cleared out of the way. Oh my goodness. This next box is my cherry box for October that I have not played with yet. It was all Doodlebug. Oh my goodness. Honestly, guys, I'm probably going to just save it for next year. I'm going to take the paint out, and I'll have something to play with next year for Halloween. So that'll be a lot of fun. That's a sign I got for Dr. Shrub. My hubby. All right, guys, I'm going to keep cleaning. Okay guys, so this is where I realized if I'm gonna read and use those stacks of books that are all stacked horizontally, I've gotta change this one more time. Oh, do you guys know The Storyteller? I've always had a very kindred feeling with The Storyteller. That's my crystal cross, and that's a fairy from my mom. I have all kinds. I try not to do too many knickknacks. This one's in honor of my grandmother who used to love everything Dutch, and so I bought that clog. It's my favorite color, and it made me think of her. I bought it in an antique store, and so that's a little memento that I keep in my craft room in honor of my grandmother. So yeah, I realized I just wasn't using these books like I want to and like I would if I had them all stacked properly in a vertical position. So I'm so glad I made this change. This was the biggest change that I made in the craft room today. I mean, besides cleaning up and being able to walk around. All right, guys, I'm almost done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that cleanup session. Whew. Yeah, I was not kidding. I had a lot to do. I just need to do some organizing. I'm really excited about all my art books up here. So I absolutely love art books. And so really I need to store them vertically like this because I will be much more inclined to pull the book off the shelf. So I'm really excited about that change. That's the only change I made other than just cleaning. So there it is. You guys, I asked you if you wanted to see this. You said yes. I hope that it inspired you in some way. I hope you're not like, oh my gosh, that girl's a mess. Like, please don't judge. You know, if I had more time for crafting and for my hobby, then I don't think my space would look like this. But because it's a 1 day a week endeavor and I have this YouTube channel that I'm managing as well, then that's just the reality. So you saw it in a very raw state. So be kind to me. And aren't you guys glad you just see my hands now? All right, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so very much. You just don't even know. And this is a stack of Happy Mail that's getting ready to go out. I have so much more to send. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching my channel, spending time with me, encouraging me, being my friend, my crafty friend. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.